Hey there traders, Todd here. This is going to be your video update for Tuesday, July 28th. And I'm a little early on this video for Facebook. We're going to set something up for earnings. I traded Facebook Live on air today for CNBC's Trading Nation, and we'll talk about that trade. But I want you guys to be aware of some key levels that are coming up that could come into play tomorrow. So I just don't want you guys to miss it heading into earnings. So here's Facebook on the 3-hour, and it's got a really nice Elliott wave and Fibonacci support pattern coming up. So off the lows here from May 12th, we have a first wave up, real small, choppy down in 2, and then we break into a real nice 5-wave move to make up larger degree 3. Okay, so now we're looking for a pullback in 4. And the way you figure out how far 4 is going to go is you do an analysis of distance traveled in the same degree blue 2. So the blue 2 compared to blue 4, which is ongoing, is going to give us a 1.618 relationship here at 93.35 and possibly as low as the 261%, which is a kind of an outsized fib relationship down at $89.89. Okay, the way we would kind of stack the zone or fortify the support zone is to then do a retracement level of wave 3, and that's going to be your 4v3. And you can see we have a pretty nice little zone coming in here between 93.94 and 89.89. On top of that is we have a nice little Elliott channel here. If you connect the highs of the swings, both on the upside and downside, your trend line comes in right on top of your fib support. So there's a couple ways to play this. Okay, wave 4 should find a low in here. Now, it could sell off depending on what markets do tomorrow on Tuesday. If China gets rocked again tonight, you can expect a gap down. And if that's the case, if we gap down into the 92 to 90 area, I'm going to be looking to scoop some. I already have a long position on, and I've done it for earnings, but I'm going to be looking to do this kind of add to the trade. Now, if we're into tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and we're right down here, implied volatility is going to be pumped up in Facebook. Right now, it's at 93 percentile, the 93rd percentile. So as we go over to TOS here, 93%. So implied volatility is extremely expensive right now relative to its 52-week range. So if we're down here 92 to 91, I'm going to be selling put credit spreads below the market, like right below the 2.618 relationship of 4v2. So like I'll sell maybe 89, 88 put credit spreads just below fib support. If I get stopped out, okay, no problem. If I get gap through, okay. But implied volatility is so expensive tomorrow. Anything that comes down, holds, rallies, there's going to be a huge IV crush post earnings. Trade I did for CNBC today was a 90. I bought it out of the call, kind of out of the money, a little bit of a call debit spread, 97.98, kind of a little bit of a lottery ticket, which was right about here, 97.98. Reason I did that is market's expecting $8.55 move, so call it $8.50 on top of 94 is going to be 102, like high 103 area. So about half the distance. I went about half the distance of the expected move for that call debit spread to come in. So I did want about $3 to $4 out of the money, right? So it's like a half standard deviation move is required on the top side. I think the NASDAQ is oversold. I think a bounce is coming. So it's a combination of broader averages, finding support, Facebook looking at support heading into earnings. Okay, so just go down from the 3-hour to the 1-hour. Nice little textbook setup. I teach in the Fibonacci courses that we do. It's a nice 3-wave. You got a purple swing, back up. We need one more move down. Any kind of push down into this fib support is a beautiful 3-wave swing, and we'll look to be long in Fibonacci support for earnings. All right, guys, we'll leave it there. Hope this video helped. As always, please give us a thumbs up if this was of assistance to you. It helps us rise up the community in the very competitive Facebook community. And if you'd like to get these videos as soon as we publish them, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll be sure to keep you updated with quality and actionable trade information. All right, guys, good luck. Hope it helps. Talk to you soon.